Hello guys, and welcome to another video and another episode on how-to guides. Today we're going to remove this instrument cluster from a Citroen Berlingo years from 2008 to 2018. Now the later models might differ slightly, but this one's a 2011, so we're going to guide this from a 2011 year, and hopefully they will be the same. This one's a little bit grubby, as you can see. It's worn on the steering wheel very bad, and it's just a bit rough everywhere. It's weird because it's only done 100,000 miles, which sounds like a lot, but it's not really. But yeah, it's just not really worn very well. It's been a bit mistreated. Anyway, back to the instrument cluster. So what we're going to do is we're just going to remove this away, which just pulls out. Excuse me, keep sniffling. It's because I've got hay fever, and it won't go away this time of year. So we're just going to pull him out all the way along, and we're just going to pull this one out, which we've also just pulled out by hand, and we have to put that one out as he just drops it. We have to pull that one out so this one can release, and this will release this whole section here. With that loose, we can see it's attached to here. This is our first time doing it as well, so we're just guiding you as we go, and that's important to remember on these how-to guides. We're going as we go, so it's from our experience straight down to yours. So we're going to undo these screws here, which look like T20s either side. We're going to undo those, and then we're going to pop that upper steering column trim off, and hopefully that will come off with this. With those removed, we're just going to pull that up, and there we go. Again, this is first hand, so so far so good. So we're just going to lift all that up, pull it away. It's quite a big plastic trim, and then that will give you access to the instrument cluster. And as you can see, or as I can see from here, we've got one T20 there. I'm just going to undo that one and then see what we do. With that T20 undone, you can see that just below here, looks like this just lifts up. See that little grommet in there? There we go. And then I'm guessing it's the same as the other side. Yep, nice. And we'll pull that out, and this gives us access to the plugs. And we're literally just going to push these little plugs in. This little lever comes back, that pulls that plug out, and that is it. There is your instrument speeder cluster removed. Now, it's actually quite an easy process. So if you did like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment if you can. We'll be very grateful for any comments, knowing that we've helped you guys. That's quite a nice, easy how-to guide, or or experience as we go guide. Anyway, if you want to see more how-to guides and more experience as we go with the Citroen Berlingo or any other vehicle, please give us a comment, subscribe, and keep an eye on our videos. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the next one.